Class 2nd day. Today I stand before you to represent the class assembly on the theme Poverty of India. Ma Saraswati is the goddess of learning and school is our temple. So please join your hand and close your eyes for the Saraswati Vandana. मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना, इतनी शक्ति हमें दे न दाता। मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना, हम चले नेक रास्ते पे, हमसे भूल कर भी कोई भूल होना, इतनी शक्ति हमें दे न दाता। Acts of kindness, performing acts of kindness towards others can boost mood and strengthen social bonds. Thank you. Have a nice day.
In one so hungry that God cannot appear to them except in the form of the bread. Thank you. Poverty, synonym, beggary, antonym, well sentence. A lot of talented students are unable to complete their studies because of their poverty. Thank you and have a nice day.
Importance of removing poverty in India. Removing poverty from India is a crucial for both economic and humanitarian. It addresses fundamental human rights by ensuring basic needs like food, shelter and healthcare are met, and it fosters a more productive and stable society. Thank you and have a nice day.
For the Indian flag, India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country. And I am proud of its rich and very heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give respect to my parents, teachers, and all elders, and treat everybody with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity, alone lies my happiness.
उम्र से लाते और गालियां खाते, सबकी प्रताड़ना सहते ये बच्चे कौन हैं? इनका भविष्य क्या है? पेट भरने को बस एक रास्ता इनके सामने बचता है, गुनाह का रास्ता। क्या यही है हमारे देश का बदलता रूप? यदि इसे ना बदला तो क्या होगा भविष्य देश का? तो क्या होगा भविष्य देश का?
अंधेरों से हम धीरे हुए, अंधेरों से हम ढाले हुए, पल पल हर पल हम जिए, कितने काले धुएं में हवाओं ने लगे, हाथों से बुझा
दे दो। अच्छा है।
साहब पैसे?
पैसे?
बस बहुत हुआ। We need to take action right now। और इन नन्हे हाथों को भीख की नहीं कलम की जरूरत है। इन नन्हे बच्चों को भीख की नहीं शिक्षा की जरूरत है, क्योंकि पढ़ेगा इंडिया तो बढ़ेगा इंडिया।
Today brings a new chance to learn, grow and make good choices. Let's start the day with gratitude for those around us. I, Anika Gupta, invite you to join us in the assembly of class 2nd B. Today, I stand before you to represent a class assembly on a theme that is not only close to our heart, but is also to the soul, our country, India's cultural heritage. Ma Saraswati is the goddess of learning and school is our temple. So please join your hands and close your eyes for Saraswati Vandana.
From our culture, respecting elders, always greet them for namaste or a warm smile. Being in hospital, Aditi Devo Bhava, treat girls like God, sharing and caring. Learn to share food, knowledge and happiness. Following traditional, celebrate festivals not just for fun, but to connect with our roots. Thank you and have a wonderful day. Culture reside in the heart and in the soul of its people by Mahatma Gandhi. I am going to repeat my thought. A national culture resides in the heart and in the soul of its people by Mahatma Gandhi. Thank you. Good morning everyone. Thought of the day. This quote reminds us that culture is not something you wear or it's something you live. It's in our values, our customs, our arts, our languages and in how we treat one another. Thank you. Word heritage. Spell it H-E-R-I-T-A-G-E. Meaning a legacy is like a special gift, idea or tradition that people receive from the past. Synonym heritage or tradition. Antonym invention. Sentence India amazing a legacy of spiritual wisdom has inspired people all over the world. Thank you and have a nice day. India's heritage is vital because it gives us identity and connects us to our past, brings diverse people together through shared culture, attracts tourists and supports traditional crafts, offers ancient knowledge like yoga to the world, fuels your ideas. Thank you. Affairs. Japan has set a new internet speed record, achieving speeds 4 million times faster than average US broadband. Good morning everyone. National current affairs. Space exploration. The NASA ISRO NISAR radar satellite is set for lift off in July, promising detailed views of Earth and climate, disaster response and climate science. Thank you. Sports current affair. Hello India Sports Festival, August 21-23, Del Lakes, Srinagar. This is Hello India event 2025, focusing on water sports.
Weather updates in Rajkot. Maximum temperature around 32 degrees Celsius. Minimum temperature around 26 degrees Celsius. Humidity will be, I think. India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and very heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give respect teachers and all elders. I treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity, along lies my happiness. Jai Hind.
इतिहास का मैं आईना हूँ, तहजीब का रंग सुनहरा हूँ। गंगा जमुना मेरी आंखें, मैं नए भारत का चेहरा। मैं कल भी था, मैं आज भी हूँ, मैं नवयुग का अंदाज भी हूँ। सारी दुनिया का घर मुझ में, इस मिट्टी का आदर मुझ में। मैं देशभक्त भी कर रहा हूँ, मैं नए भारत का चेहरा, मैं नए भारत का चेहरा। मैं बेटी की मुस्कान में हूँ, मैं नारी के सम्मान में हूँ। मैं बेटी की मुस्कान में हूँ, मैं नारी के सम्मान में हूँ। विज्ञान में और किसान में हूँ, हर वीर में और जवान में हूँ। मैं सीमाओं का पहरा हूँ, मैं नए भारत का चेहरा हूँ, मैं नए भारत का चेहरा हूँ, मैं नए भारत का चेहरा हूँ।
रग रग में जोश की बूंदे, बूंदों में जीत ही गूंजे। इस गूंज से गिर जाएगा आसमान भी कदमों में। रोको न सपनों के तूफानों को, रोको न जज्बों की उड़ानों को, रोको न बातों के निशानों को। आग जैसे बरसा दे ये इरादे। जिगरा है, जिगरा है, जिगरा है, जिगरा है, जिगरे से निकलेगी चिंगारियां। ओ जिगरा है, जिगरा है, जिगरा है, जिगरा है, जिगरे से निकलेगी चिंगारियां। रात की सुरंग भटकी है रोशनी, है छटपटा रही रोशनी। लड़ जाना है लहू में एक चिंगारी, जिद से जुनून तक ले जाना, हर कतरा बोल रहा